In this question, it is mentioned given the following statement. Statement number S1 is a foreign key declaration can always be replaced by a equivalent check assertion in SQL. Statement number 2, given the table R ABC where A and B form a primary key, together form the primary key, then the following is a valid table definition or not. Create table as A integer, D integer, E integer, primary key D, foreign key A, reference R. And which of the following statement is correct, my dear? Which of the following statement is correct? Statement number 1 is S1 is true, S2 is false. Statement number B is option B is both S1 and S2 are true. Option C is S1 is false, S2 is true. Option D, both S1 and S2 are false. Now, first of all, we will read the statement number 1. My dear student, what is saying? Statement number 1, a foreign key declaration can always be replaced by a equivalent check assertion in SQL, my dear. So, my dear student, S1 is false. Why S1 is false? Because a check assertion, foreign key declaration, and a foreign key declaration can always, no bacha, cannot be replaced by check assertion, check assertion in S. Now, what is the reason? Because foreign key, because my dear student, because foreign key may have duplicate and null values also, and foreign key have a value that is present in primary key. Foreign key have a value that is present in primary key, and foreign key may have a duplicate and null value, and having on delete cascade action also. If any primary key deleted from reference relation, my dear, the primary key deleted from reference relation, then referential integrity violation, referential integrity not maintain. So we have to take the action referential integrity, then referential integrity maybe not maintain, you can say maybe not maintain. So we have to take some action. Yeah, no need to write down this thing. So please try to understand what I'm saying here. Why it is not replaced? Because foreign key have whatever value present in foreign key that must be present in primary key, that is okay. But what happen while you are inserting, then what happen, you are mention the action also like on delete cascade. On delete cascade means what? Ki whenever if any primary key deleted from the reference relation, if that primary key used in a foreign key, then what happen? If we are not performing action, this is case if we not performing any action like on delete cascade, on delete sentinel, yeah, on delete default, yeah, no action, then what happen? Referential integrity may be not maintained, my dear, maybe not maintained. So this is not possible in check assertion. So you can't replace check assertion with the foreign key declaration. Okay, so S1 is false. Now if I'm talking about S2, my dear, if I'm talking about S2, what happen in S2? In S2 there are two table. One table, one table is what? RABC. One table is what? RABC. Here AB is a primary key. Here AB is primary key, my dear. Here AB is primary key. and second table we have a S. Second table we have a S. In a S we have ADE, ADE, and here primary key is, here primary key is D, and foreign key A. Foreign key A, reference R, my dear. Foreign key A, reference R. So you know, my dear student, कि foreign key reference to the primary key of reference relation. Primary key of reference relation, that is here R. That is here R. But in reference relation, here you can see what happening in reference relation. AB is a primary key. AB is primary key. Not only A is, only A, not, you can remove, only A is not primary key. So here foreign key A, not reference, primary key. What is the primary key? AB. Primary key AB of referenced relation, my dear. Reference relation. So what we can say, S2 is also, yeah, you can write here. So S2 is false, my dear. S2 is false. Now you can see why both cases happening. Here you can see foreign key declaration can always be replaced by check assertion. I told the reason कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं, because बेटा foreign key में आप डुप्लीकेट भी रख सकते हैं, नल भी रख सकते हैं, और आप एक्शन भी परफॉर्म करते हैं अगर वोलेशन होता है तो, लाइक ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड, ऑन डिलीट सेट नल. तो इस टाइप की चीजें आपके चेक असर्शन के में नहीं हो पाएगी आपके, जब आप इंसर्ट कर रहे हो या जब आप डिलीट कर रहे हो. दूसरा पॉइंट, इसमें S2 में क्या मिस्टेक है, S2 क्यों गलत है बेटा, S1 तो इसलिए गलत है, S2 क्यों गलत है, बिकॉज इधर आपको पता है कि AB इज द प्राइमरी की. व्हाट? AB इज प्राइमरी की इन R. AB is primary key. AB is primary key, and here foreign key is only A. When it is correct, ये कब करेक्ट होता है, जब foreign key आपकी क्या होती, AB होती. बिकॉज यहाँ foreign key only A दे रखी है. foreign key यहाँ क्या दे रखी है, only A. और बेटा only A, not a primary key, या even not a candidate key also. तो foreign key यहाँ रेफरेंस नहीं कर पा रही है. What we can conclude कि both statement S1 and S2 are false. So my dear student, D is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.